What's up everyone, it's WarTurtleTube, and today I'll be showing you how to make fireworks in Minecraft, and it's pretty easy to make them, and I just loaded all the dispensers up with fireworks. But you might be wondering, how do you make firework rockets? It's pretty easy. So what you need to do is, we are going to show you some recipes you can make. One recipe is called the star-shaped firework. And this is actually what it looks like in your crafting table. Because if you go to the crafting table, it looks like that, with the 9 in selection slots. Well, that's what it will look like here. So that's the star shape. And then over here is the twinkle, along with the cactus. I mean the creeper face. So that's the creeper face, and then this is the twinkle. So why don't we start off the show now? There is one major addition I did to this. I put a TNT firework launcher. You might have seen this in my summer finale video. So I will actually show that to you right now as a daytime firework. You know what? Let's make it nighttime, since it is going to be nighttime. Alright, I set the time to sunset, and let's do it. Alright, that was my little TNT firework thing, and it did not destroy the obsidian. Perfect. Okay, now let's shoot off all the fireworks now. Are you guys ready? Alright, let's get started. Woo! Wow, that was nice. Okay, now I'm gonna see if I can stretch the redstone a little bit more, just so I can get that awesome part to it. Wow, that was nice. That was awesome. And I think we still have some. Wow, we still have a lot. But I think we ran out of star-shaped. Yup. That was a fail, but let's do another one. And it looks like the fireworks aren't... Huh, I guess that's all of them. Well, I guess I'll keep this area. Well, thanks for watching my little TNT fireworks show. Why didn't these launch? There's still some here, I don't know. Oh well, let's see if I can... Woo! You have to get that... Wow, that's American right there. America! Well, I think that's all of them, guys. Well, we still have a lot here. Let me see if I can get rid of these ones. See, I don't get one. Woo! Woo! Yeah! Let's see if I have any more. Okay. We still have a lot over here. Woo! Yeah, beautiful. Whoa. Okay. Wow, that was a grand finale, guys. That's the finale. That's the finale. Wow, that brightened the whole sky. That was really worth... Wow, that was all... Wow, that went all out. That was awesome. Okay. Now it's time for the grand finale. Let's see if we can make this a little bit... Well, that was the finale, guys. Thank you for watching my my fireworks show. Okay, well, that's it. Bye. Let me just quickly do a little update real quick. So, alright, thanks for watching this video. Alright. I'm sorry if I didn't know how to make that. My next firework display will be much better. It will be automatic. And I have seen the video for it if you go to my favorites. And yeah. And yeah, so I think the firework display was made by Grand. And so some guy named SuperDouche made the video. So I'll leave a link in the description box to his channel, and you can go check it out. And other than that, have a nice day, and yeah.